Introducing another 40 tips on making a great online course by Chris Haroun, which is the free sequel to last year's free course called 40 Tips on Making a Great Online Course. Here are some of the reviews on this course. This course is definitely my favorite course, and Chris Haroun is a great teacher. By Chris Haroun's mom. The stuff I learned in this course is really helpful. By Chris Haroun's best friend. This course is absolutely awful. I want a refund. By someone Chris Haroun owes money to. Only watch this course if you are having trouble sleeping, as it is really bad. Chris Haroun does not know the person that wrote that review. If you only watch one course on Udemy this week, then take Rob Percival's best-selling Udemy course. But if you watch two courses this week on Udemy, then watch another 40 tips on making a great online course by Chris Haroun.
Life's too short not to laugh at myself. So welcome to another 40 tips on making a great online course. This is a free course that I make every year, which provides 40 pieces of advice on how to make a great online course. And the 40 tips are based on mistakes that I've personally made or lessons that I've learned over the past 12 months teaching here on Udemy so that you can work smarter and not harder when making your Udemy courses. Thanks a lot.
Here are the 40 tips Chris will cover in this year's free version of the course.